Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and we're going to be talking about a superfood. So this superfood is sweet potatoes. Why sweet potatoes is so good is that they're really they have a lot of calories, they also have a lot of vitamins, they're like really filling, and they're pretty easy to grow. You just start it off like a month or two early, and then you just plant it in the ground and they grow like crazy. See, look, all this is growing. Also, the leaves are edible too. Have a lot of vitamins too. And also, sweet potatoes, you could just like cook the sweet potatoes. You can make sweet potato soup, and really, it's like limitless what you can do with sweet potatoes. But why sweet potatoes is better than regular potatoes is they're more healthy. And I would just suggest everybody grow sweet potatoes because they're really filling. They have a lot of protein, and I would just suggest every prepper to grow it because it's also a superfood. So goodbye everybody, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper, and also turn on notifications. Smash that like button, and goodbye.